Okay, we are looking at Chapter 2, Red Book, Quiz 2.3 and Quiz 2.6. We're going to start with converting our rational numbers into decimals. You take your mixed fraction and you turn it into an improper fraction first. So 5 times your 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Okay, therefore this is 8 over 5. Don't forget that it is negative. You take your calculator, okay, and you take your 8 divided by 5, and you will find that you have a 1.6, okay? This is 1.6, and it's negative. All right, let's look at number 4. Number 4 is also converting your rational numbers to decimal, okay? Here you have 3 and 75 hundredths, okay? You can look at this as negative 3 and 75 hundredths, okay? Or you can take your 3 and 75 hundredths and put it over 100. Either way, this is 3 and 75 hundredths. When you simplify the 75 over 100, you will have a negative 3 and 3/4. Okay? Now, looking here, we are adding our decimals. Notice that we have a negative symbol here and a negative symbol here. 2 negatives will make it positive. Okay, so we rewrite this so that we have 4.2 plus 2.6, and when we add, this is 8, this is 6. So our answer is 6.8. Okay, let's take a look here at number 8. On number 8, we have negative 3 and 4/9, okay, minus a negative 2 and 1/18. Once again, we have a double negative, okay? So then let's rewrite it so that we have a negative 3 4/9, okay, plus 2 1/18. As you know, we must convert our denominators so that they are the same. In this case, we would multiply this by 2, this by 2. Therefore, this would be a negative 3 and 8/18, and this would be 2 and 1/18. We add those together. This is negative, this is positive. Therefore, it will be subtracting or taking the difference of, because we want one's negative, one's positive. So 8 minus 1 would give us a 7/18, and 3 minus 2 would give us a 1, and negative with the greater amount, so it will be a negative 1 and 7/18. Okay, let's take a look at number 10. On number 10, we have 3 and 3/5 divided by 2 and 7/10. Okay, what we want to do here is to convert them to fractions, improper fractions, so that 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 is 18/5. It's negative, divided by 10 times 2 is 20, plus 7 is 27/10. Okay, as you know, we do not divide fractions, we reciprocate and multiply. Therefore, we want to rewrite this so that negative 18/5 times 10 over 27. Okay, we can cross cancel. This will be 1, this will be 2, because there are 1 5 and 5 and 2 5s and 10. Here we cross cancel with a 9. There are 2 9s and 18 and 3 9s and 27. And therefore we can multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. We simplify, we have 1 and 1/3. Okay, because this was negative, this was positive, our answer is negative. Okay, all right. Sorry if it's getting a little crowded here. Okay, let's look here. We have negative 2.7 divided by 0.9. Let's rewrite this. We have negative 2.7 divided by 0.9, okay, and therefore we move our decimal point over 1. Decimal point is here, so that we make this a whole number. Okay, how many 9s are in 27? 3. Okay, 3 times 9 is 27. When we subtract 0, nothing to bring down because this is positive, this is negative. Our answer is negative. Okay, moving forward. 1/8 of our goal was reached. The word problem reads, your class is holding a fundraiser for a local charity. After the first week, your class raised 1/8 of your goal. After the second week, your class raised a total of 3/5 of your goal. What fraction of the goal was raised during the second week of the fundraising? So if your goal is the whole amount, in this case, you have 1/8 of your